You know what this is? This is what every good adventure starts off with.
And that's coffee. We love our coffee, but we hate spending money on it. So we figured it's time to buy our own espresso machine.
That's right. Now some espresso machines cost around $1,000.
Sometimes they're $700.
Sometimes they're $400.
But this one was $30. We bought the cheapest espresso machine we could find on Amazon, and we're gonna test it out for you so you don't have to. Oh yeah, check it out. I feel like it's Christmas. I am so excited.
There's a zip tie on the plug.
Oh. Let's figure out what we need to do. First we gotta wash it. Step 1, fill the glass carafe with fresh cold water with either 2 or 4 cup marks. Pour the water into the carafe. Pour it in. We need to get the coffee.
Getting the coffee. It's working.
I can hear it working. We're about to make the latte, but I did kind of screw up a little bit. What did I do wrong?
So when you start the brewing process, once the machine starts brewing the espresso, you have to switch it over to the steamer option in order to froth.
Right. Hey, that's fine. It's not a big deal. I've never ever made my own latte before.
And I don't know how to make espresso.
So, hey, it's gonna be fine. We're gonna try it the way it is. We're gonna try more lattes and we're gonna become professionals since now we have our own machine. Ready for a taste test?
Here goes.
Cheers. This is good.
Wow.
It's good. It is good.
That's better than I expected.
Yeah, the way it looked though, I was worried that it wasn't. What, you don't like it?
I just wasn't expecting that.
Really? You
Yeah.
like it? I think it's pretty good.
Wow.
Pretty good. Now, would I say that it's the best espresso like latte I've ever had? No, but it could be us, right? Like I've never made my own latte. Like
Yeah, it could definitely be the operator.
I mean, this is gonna like be so much fun for us. We're gonna explore all kinds of different lattes.
Oh, absolutely.
And we use coconut milk, and coconut milk doesn't froth up near as much as like regular cow's milk does.
And we kind of missed the froth.
And we missed the froth. But hey, if you are looking to save some money by not going out and getting coffee anymore, I would get this.
Yeah, this probably cost about 25 cents.
Right, like you would save so much money over time. I mean, obviously you have a $30 up front, but that's like 3 to 4 big coffees.
Yeah.
It would save you so much money long term if you're a latte lover.
Oh, absolutely.
So I would recommend this. I'm gonna link it down below for you so you can check it out if you also wanna make your own espresso at home. And if you get it, let me know what you think of it. And if you do get it and you hate it, you can always return it. Amazon has the best return policy.
Go to Kohl's.
Yeah, that is so cool. All you gotta do is go to Kohl's, return it at Kohl's, and Kohl's will give you a coupon. So if you buy it, there's like no risk.
Yeah, there you go.
And you might even save some money.
Well, everybody, go get yourself an espresso maker, the cheapest you can find on Amazon,
and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for our next adventure. We post a new adventure every single Saturday, and we also just started posting food videos on Wednesdays as well. So we'll see you then. Bye.